3, 2, 1.
Michelangelo, one of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, was well known for which of the following? The answer is D, for his love of pizza. What do we call the full range of electromagnetic waves? The answer is A, electromagnetic spectrum. In the animated TV series, The Simpsons, Bart is how many years older than his sister Lisa? The answer is B, 2. What always comes once a week, but never comes twice in 3 days? The answer is A, Thursday. Which component can be used to control or regulate the flow of electric current in a circuit? The answer is B, transistor. The world's third most widely spoken language belongs to which family? The answer is D, Indo-European. In science, what is constantly tested, sometimes revised, sometimes thrown out, and sometimes well established? The answer is C, a theory. Which instrument is also known as the king of instruments? The answer is D, cello. When matter changes into an entirely different substance with different chemical properties, what has occurred? The answer is B, chemical change. Which book by Stephen King is about a group of children battling a supernatural entity in the town Derry, Maine? The answer is A, It. Who discovered the Rosetta Stone? The answer is A, Napoleon Bonaparte. A lake has been used for more than a century to irrigate crops. How has this practice most likely affected this resource? The answer is D, it decreased the volume of the lake. Which is a force that keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun? The answer is B, gravity. In what year were Kermit the Frog and Miss Piggy married? The answer is C, 1984. Which device connects computers to each other and the Internet? The answer is A, router. What is the term for a test to see if a scientific explanation is right or wrong? The answer is A, experiment. Which ocean has the smallest surface area? The answer is C, Arctic. What are the cliffs called which are created when waves erode a rocky shoreline, leaving a vertical wall of exposed rock layers? The answer is A, wave cut. What is the name of a subatomic particle with no charge and a mass slightly smaller than that of a proton? The answer is B, proton. A farmer had 12 sheep and 3 cows. All of the animals except 9 sheep died. How many animals did he have left in his farm? The answer is B, 9 sheep. A syzygy is the straight line configuration of 3. The answer is A, celestial bodies. Which of the following characters can bounce off walls in the game Super Smash Bros. Melee? The answer is D, Young Link. Who was the creator of the immensely popular 80s television show Hill Street Blues? The answer is B, Stephen Bochco. What makes up most of biological tissues? The answer is B, water. Which school supply is used for writing on boards? The answer is A, marker. Alzheimer's disease is associated with memory loss in what group of people? The answer is D, elderly. Which popular Jules Verne character did Kirk Douglas portray in the 1954 movie 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea? The answer is D, Ned Land. Which architect designed Chicago's Museum of Science and Industry? The answer is B, Daniel Burnham. What is the most alluring combination that a woman should represent, according to the sexist correspondent in the 2009 romantic comedy The Ugly Truth? The answer is B, librarian and stripper. What type of bacteria are sometimes used as weapons of bioterrorism? The answer is C, pathogenic. The train leaves in 2 minutes and the distance to the train station is 2 miles. If you drive the first mile at 30 miles/h, at what speed should you drive the second mile? The answer is C, it does not matter. What process provides over 99% of the energy for life on Earth? The answer is D, photosynthesis. What is the hottest month in Death Valley, USA? The answer is C, July. What kind of power does not produce any pollutants, but produces waste that can be difficult to dispose of? The answer is B, nuclear. Which character on the Angel Show is magically imbued with a vast quantity of legal knowledge? The answer is C, Gun. This college and pro Gray had a very strange nickname, Crazy Legs. His last name was Hirsch. What was his real first name? The answer is D, Elroy. In Final Fantasy Roman 8, what is Seifer's romantic dream? The answer is A, to be Edia's knight. What is Will Truman's occupation in Will and Grace? The answer is B, lawyer. What is the conversion of metals from their ores to more useful forms called? The answer is D. Metallurgy. What chases the wind but always remains behind? The answer is A. Cold shadow. What is a small, red berry that grows in clusters and has a tangy taste? The answer is A. Cherries. Which food contains the highest amount of caffeine per serving? The answer is D. Coffee. What do you call large, Y-shaped proteins that recognize and bind to antigens? The answer is A. Antibodies. How often does sperm develop in humans? The answer is C. Continuously. What is a household item used to lighten up dark spaces? The answer is C. Light bulb. The answer is A. Much Ado About Nothing. What is a handheld power tool used for drilling holes in hard materials? The answer is B. Screwdriver. Which novel by Thomas Hardy had the subtitle A Pure Woman, which shocked Victorian readers? The answer is A. Tests of the D'Urbervilles. Which antenna type is used for wireless communication? The answer is B. Yagyu. Cycles of day and night occur how often in a day?